Yo, what's up guys? My name is Kit, and I finally fixed the buttons on the Nvidia Shield K1. As you might know, or for those who own this device, the buttons are shit. They're super mushy, and they're just pretty terrible. But I managed to fix it by using some super glue and toothpicks. So what I did was, first I sanded down the toothpicks to make a flat surface, and then I cut them up to tiny pieces like so. Afterwards I put some super glue on the buttons and then put the pieces right on top like so. And by doing that, these buttons are now perfect. They work fantastically, as you could see, and they feel really great to press on. And then once you let it dry and let it cure, you should definitely take that opportunity to also sand it down on the top here. That's how I managed to get it to be so slim. And just a fair warning, if you do this, there is a possibility of damaging the plastic on the device. As you can see, I fucked up the bottom button a few times, 2 times, and that caused it to just look all fucked up and stuff. So yeah. And yep, that's how I fixed the buttons for this shitty... Okay, this isn't a shitty device. This is how I fixed the buttons for this device. Okay, bye.